Okay, let us continue. So now we will go to the GDB compiler. Okay, GDB online compiler, and in GDB compiler we put, instead of hello world, the text of our program. And let us try to press run. So which GDB compiler mistake will appear? So the type structure is not indicated here. So this is the mistake in GDB compiler C language. Okay. So let us press run. So yes. So the structure is missed. Okay. So now you can see that the result of compilation is in GDB compiler. So the type structure is missed before. So GDB compiler is not so old compiler, so it requires to repeat the keyword structures before the type anytime. So struct, struct. Okay, after this, let us press run again. Yes, yes, yes. So this is your task. To what is your task? To take a screenshot. To take a screenshot. Which screenshot? So it is necessary in this screenshot. It is necessary. Okay. So Samir, it is necessary in the screenshot. Okay, let me press run again. Okay, so, but, so in original text, we have a mistake. So the keyword struct is absent here. So if we press run, yes, let us enter one more time. Okay, so I open the compiler, GDB online C compiler. Okay, so yes, let us enter. Okay, let us wait a little. Yes, and instead of this hello world program, yes, let us insert the number of conference. No. So let us copy again the text of our program. So to show you, okay, so press Ctrl C and let us return one more time. Yes, in GDB online compiler. So instead of hello world, let us press Ctrl V. So and let us press run. Yes, so we have a mistake. So structure keyword is absent before a student. In GDB compiler, it is obvious to put here as struct keyword. It's not struct, yes. Double C, struct. Okay, let us press run. So please see that here language C is selected. So in the list must be selected C. Okay, so and press run.
Yeah, we choose C++ language, right?
Yes, this is C compiler. Okay. So student Samir Fitvi, it is better to use GDB compiler because in GDB compiler it is possible without any mistakes to compile main function of void type. So other C compilers now require obviously instead of void to put here integer, like for example in this case, and to add here the return of some integer void. But the void, main void, it is possible in classical C in the idea of original C creator, Dennis Ritchie, okay, that to have only some actions in main function with no returning of something. Okay. But in modern compilers, C compilers, It is not possible. They require, obviously, that main must return some integer value, like in this case. Okay. Okay, so but GDB performs all. So Samir Fetvi. So what it is necessary to be in string in the picture of this program, in the photo. So the result of compilation, so this string must, these two strings. Okay, so the number, the name, and the score. Okay, so very big score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is better to put after this, so after this some space. So where is our out? So some space. So before score, it is better to put this space. So here to put this space. Okay, let us press run again. Yes, so now you see the space. So it is better to put here the space. So 5 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the format? 5 positions at all, and 2 positions after floating point. F floating format. Okay. Yes, so what it is necessary to be in the photo? So your result and this string number, this line number 45. Okay, in which you initialize your function. So to see the result, the name is the truly Samir Fetvi, the number is truly 0, and the score is truly this, to compare this initialization and this realization, and this execution. Okay, so the listing of main function, okay, must be so with initialization and the result of compilation. So for example, instead of 0, maybe put it, for example, 1, yes, for example, instead, yes, instead of Samir Fetvi, for example, Elijah. Yes, Elijah. Okay, so instead of this score, maybe 80, 99. Okay, so and let us press run. Okay, so Elijah and his score. Okay, yes, so this is your control work. This is your control work. So to copy this text, where is our text? To copy all this text. Okay, let us make bigger, greater. Okay, to copy this, press Ctrl C. Yes, go to the GDB compiler. So I will give you the linking. So the link of GDB compiler. The link of GDB compiler. Okay, so let us take this link, okay, and let us insert it here. So let us create the link, okay, and let us create the link. Yes, GDB compiler. Okay, yes, so this is your work. Yes, so your task is to make this picture and to send me. Do you understand, Ahmed, the task of?
Yes, I understand that. Maybe I'm going to do it like right now and send it to you.
Yes, before I never at all for this period and never received from your group no message. Each time I put some new material. So let me show you. Samir, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, 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 yes. Very well. So let us just back. Okay. Okay. So let us again show you. So this is your I'm sorry, page, title page. So this is a list of some functions. I'm sorry, some lectures. Yes, and this is a forum with tasks. So how much tasks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tasks, and today is 9th task. Okay, so in each task, so we have the conclusion. In this, it is not task conclusion. So in this, yes, yes. So the task, so the results, even home task. File, yes, this program GDB Online compiler, yes, this program, yes. So the result is absent. Okay, here it is absent. This is information for the lecture. So that, yes, this is the working with files. It is not possible for you to work online with files, so without any studio. So in online it is there are a lot of studios. Yes, so here the photo, the home task. Yes, yes. Okay, so let us copy this message and let us put it here. Okay. Yes. So with explanation, so it is possible to do now for you. So this is all for today. So I suppose that you understand your task. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. So, and what is next? What is next in? So let us see again the listing of the program. So let us return to better viewing to the Visual Studio. Let us analyze the listing. So what we do in this program, we include something. Okay, so a non-executable part, so before the execution. After this, we declare the structure. So with obviously with semicolon operator in the end, like in this case. Okay, so the declaration of new type. So we create the structure, one structure, the object of the structure. We create the variable students of new type. Okay, integer I and n. So after this, we declare the function. We declare, so in headline, and we realize in this block the function, yes, with the name struct initialization, struct in. So, and in main function, we use this function even with returning value. So we return the value of n, which you give to the function. You give 0 now. So, and this value would not used in the function, but it is returned to the exit to the left. So this operator, the operator of giving the value, acts in the left, in this from the left to from right to left, in the left direction. So it returns n. So this value to n. So this n, it is the local variable, But the function returns the value of this variable, the variable n, to the global variable n. Yes. Okay. So, so what you do in this program? So before using in main function, you create something. Okay, you create structure. You declare, you create function, you create some structures. So, and you in main function execution, you only use it one time. So only use with the help of the name, You use all this created, you use only in this name struct in, and in the list of parameters, only in one line. Okay, so before main function, you create the block of data. You declare the block of data, the structure to variables. The block of data. So this is a data, the structure, three kinds of data. And here you create two kinds of data. These are data. So, and this is a function. Yes. So the members of the structure, it is possible to call the fields of the structure. So in our programs, it is possible to call this to this object, this structure students, and this to variables, the fields too. So first, let us put the global comment, Okay, so in capitals. Sorry. So the declaration of fields, declaration of fields. So the data, fields, it means data, field means data. Do you understand it? So the fields, okay, so it is data.
Yes, we do.
All data are fields, Okay, so, and the declaration of the function, and realization of the function, declaration. Here is the declaration in the head. Here is the realization, declaration and realization of the function. Okay, so this is your first, okay, even with this asterisks. Okay, so, and this part, let us continue. Okay, yes, and this is executable part, or using. Yes, so we have three parts of our program. So inclusion, it is the first part, really. So the declaration of fields, the declaration and realization of the function, or maybe some functions, and the using. Okay. Okay, Ahmed, please repeat me which parts of the program do you have now? Please repeat to me.
C++.
No. First, do you see?
Yeah, I see that.
Please,
Declaration of
Of what?
Yes, it's a declaration of fields.
Field. Yes, so
Fields, yeah.
the second, which is the second?
It's declaration and relation of the function.
Function. The declaration and realization of the function. And the third is which?
Using.
Okay, so Samir, are you here?
Yes.
Samir, please
Yes. Yes.
tell me which
I'm here.
main parts we have in this program. Please tell me.
Declaration of fields.
Fields. Do you understand that fields are all the data? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
All the data are fields. The declaration of fields. So the second.
Declaration and relation of the function.
Function. So separately. Data separately fields. Okay, separately functions. Separately fields, separately function. And the third,
Using.
very well. So this is the purpose of all previous course, to understand that first you may declare the data, you may create the data. Yes, realize the function, and after this it is possible to use it with the help of the name, So this is main idea of modern programming. So first declare fields, separately data. So second, to create the function, to declare the function and to realize. And after this to use them. If you understand it, it is very well, because after this, the next time will be the lecture devoted to modern programming. So our first part, so our 14 lessons devoting to this classical C language. So now it is now finished, and tomorrow we will start our second part. The second part is devoted to modern programming. So the objective-oriented programming with the main concept of the class and the object of the class. So tomorrow I will tell you what does it mean class, yes, and what does it mean the object of the class. After this, I suppose that it will be easy to you to understand the main idea of modern programming, okay, in which all our software is based. Yes. Okay, so now you know your task. Yes. So to compile this program, yes, to obtain the result, but the result with 45th line, yes, and to make a photo, yes, maybe to put here the keyword structure, because this GDB compiler cannot compile without this repetition structure again. Okay, so and to compile and to send me. Okay, Samir, do you understand the task?
Yes, we get it.
Yes. Yes. I understand.
Please complete and please send it to this. Yes, this is my name address. So please send me to this address. So it is all. So I beg you, Samir and Ahmed, I beg you to
Okay.
this to all the students of your group.
Okay.
So I will repeat this information in the group WhatsApp, but so I beg you, Ahmed and Samir, to tell this to all the students if you meet them. Yes, so now I wish you good health, Yes, please wear masks. Please be very careful. Now,
Okay, thank you so much, Professor.
yes, so it is all for today. I will stop the demonstration. We'll see you next online time. Maybe it will be tomorrow. See you next.
Okay, see you.
So now,
Okay, see you next time. Thank you.
thank you, Samir and Ahmed. Now,
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, teacher.
bye. The record is over.